wise notes. It wasn't easy at all, but congratulations.
Congratulations.
All right. Let's get this line dancing. Woo, woo. Okay. Oh, what? Okay.
Last year, the hashtag RMIT grad was trending in Melbourne by midday. So we're going to check that out too. Keep coming through this way, guys. Well done. Welcome, come through this way.
Graduates here today. It's a very special occasion. Now, it's not always as impressive as may just be able to hear the rumble of the engines. They are very, very close. They're about 1 minute away. Any moment now, they'll be coming up over the Shrine of Remembrance. I think we need some music from the band. Have you got anything that gives something about aeroplanes? I'll talk over the top. Off you go. If you've got a long lens, you're very lucky. Give us a bit of a cheer. Make sure you wave. They can see you. Coming over the Shrine of Remembrance. Give them a big wave, they can see you out the window. Celebrating graduation 2019 with our RMIT Flight Training Academy.
书，然后现在进到体育场里面了。这个 B 栋是我们的地方。
Sport and Exercise Science. I graduated at the end of last year.
I've graduated 3 times.
This year, at campuses around the world and online, over 91,000 students choose to study with RMIT.
I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching out of the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me.
bundle flew down to the Yemenen beak, the earth, and perched on the Lango, the edge of the Birrong.
You win some, you lose some, still trying to control.
Nor in the great celebrations that follow, nor even in the moment when you land the perfect job you dreamed about night after night.
Rights and privileges of graduation. Congratulations to all of our new graduates. For unrelenting change, be prepared to question the status quo, and above all, find your own way to make a contribution. We can change the world for the better. I believe this is as true today as when we first opened our doors in 1887.
What more can I say? It's been an absolute privilege to share this day with all of you. Let me finish with a classic Marvel superhero quote. Spider-Man famously said, "Whatever life holds in store for me, I will never forget these words. With great power comes great responsibility." Graduates, today we celebrate the greatest superpower of all, and that's education.
I shall not be seeing you again, perhaps for a very long time. I would like to sing for you now a love song.